Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another review video and it will be on the Detail Make Brow Light to Dark Brow Powder. I got mine from Cosmetix Unlimited. I will leave their links below. And where is the brow powder? Where are you? So the product looks like this. I forgot to use this. So you know what? I'm gonna apply it right now. Parang wala namang nag-iba sa ano ko. Under my eyebrows. Meron siyang parang shine or something na ganap sa kanya, but not like a huge difference talaga. Pero that's okay, it's there. So this product is $245, made in the Philippines, I believe. I think so. It is for your eyes and for your eyebrow. Oh, so you can use this as an eyeshadow. Siguro this shade right here will work better as an eyeshadow kapag merong primer kasi nilagay ko siya sa under my brows. Again, not something special. Hindi ko siya gagamitin as an eyeshadow today though. As you guys can see, I have it on my brows right now. Looks like that. I really like the packaging. Napaka-sleek. The best part is meron siyang mirror. And yung mirror niya, decent naman talaga yung size. As in, magagamit mo talaga siya. Makikita mo talaga yung sarili mo. Hindi siya maliit at all, so hindi ka mahihirapan. Tapos meron din siyang, ano ba ito tawag dito? Applicator na kasama. So, this is what I used and you will see that later. Before I show you the clip of me applying this on my brows, I do have an eyebrow routine video. Dalawang eyebrow routine na yon. So, if you guys are interested to see that, I will leave the link of those videos below. And yeah, I will go ahead and show you the clip of me applying this on my brows. I'm going to start with this one. So, ilalagay ko siya from the arch to the tip of my brows. Tapos, itong lighter brown sa inner corner hanggang sa gitna ng brows ko. Itatry ko din gamitin yung applicator na kasama na sa set. Again, I'm gonna start sa arch ng brows ko hanggang sa... Wow, that is really pigmented. As in, parang ginanon ko lang siya, tapos nagkulay na siya ng bongga. So, that's nice. Hindi talaga ako komportable sa ganitong brush yung maliliit na brush. I just feel like I don't have like enough control sa brush kapag ganitong maliliit. Pero maganda siya kasi manipis siya. So, if you have like thinner brows, maganda siya para ma-outline mo talaga ng maayos yung brows mo. Pigmented na pigmented siya. I don't see any fallouts at all, which is good. Kasi usually sa mga pigmented na mga eyebrow powder, like my BYS, that one is really pigmented, pero may nanonotice akong fallout sa kanya. This one, wala siyang fallouts. Pero I do tap off the brush. Okay, so that's what the dark shade looks like. I actually really like that shade. I feel like it's a nice match sa aking buhok. And then I'm just gonna kind of clean the brush like dito lang sa hand ko. And then I'm gonna go sa lighter shade. Looking at it, makikita mo naman talaga na magkaiba yung shade ng brown nila. Parang itong nasa gitna, parang medyo may pagka-ashy brown siya. Ito naman, ibang shade ng brown din. Hindi mo siya as in mapapansin talaga. Pero when you look closely, I mean, hindi lahat makaka-notice nito. But makikita mo na iba talaga yung shade ng isang brown, iba din yung shade ng isang brown. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna stick to this shade right here, itong nasa gitna, because I feel like it matches my hair better. Though this one is not bad at all. Actually, they both match my hair pretty well, but I'm just gonna go for this one kasi nasimulan ko na siya sa dalawang brows ko. Both are great colors. I just wanna say that. I really like the pigmentation of this. So, since wala talaga tayong as in super light na shade talaga, this one looks light on here, pero kapag nilagay mo na siya sa brows mo, hindi naman siya as in ganun ka-light. It's very pigmented. Like, look at this right here. Ito yung, itong shade, itong nandito. So, what I'm gonna do is, hindi na ako mag-add ng more product sa brush. So, parang nalagay ko na dito yung product. And I am just going to use the same brush and lightly, just very lightly fill in the inner corners of my brows. If you've been watching my videos for a while, alam nyo na I don't really want like super dark na ganap sa inner part ng brows ko. So, yeah, just lightly dab it lang para konting product lang. My brows is really not pantay right now, but that's okay. I'm really liking it. First impression, as in first impression talaga. Sobrang pigmented. Hindi ako nagka-problema ng pag-apply using the tiny brush at all. color. So, that's really good. Para sa akin, okay siya kasi it's really pigmented. But you can make it lighter as well. Like, you know, lightly dab lang the product on the inner corner and meron ka ng parang light na ganap. Again, wala siyang fallout. So far, so good. It is now 11:27. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. I am back! It is now 3:16 ng hapon. Sa eyebrows ko, still looks the same. Yeah, okay na okay pa rin siya. Walang nagbago. Try ko na ganunin touch ng konti. Tingnan natin kung meron akong makukuhang product. Wala naman. Stay put naman siya na ganap. Hindi ko lang alam kung waterproof to kasi nga walang claims akong nababasa dito. So far, so good. Nandun pa rin naman yung eyebrow powder. Kahit na yung nasa inner corner, na konti lang yung nilagay natin, as in sobrang light lang ng pagkadab ko ng product doon, nandun pa rin siya. Kitang-kita ko pa rin yung product. I mean, you can see that, right? So, yeah, okay na okay pa rin siya. I'm still really, really liking it. The color payoff is still there. Hindi siya nagwa-wash off. Yung shape ng brows ko, still the same. Walang nagbago. Nakalimutan ko ilagay kanina sa application clip ko, parang highlighter. I'm not really sure if this is a highlighter though. Maybe it's just an eyeshadow kasi nga you can use this as an eyeshadow as well. For me, it's kind of like medyo way too shimmery siya for my liking. Gusto ko kasi i-highlight sa eyebrows ko, hindi shimmery. So parang tinanggal ko siya kanina, though hindi siya totally natanggal kasi yung fingers ko lang yung ginanon ko. Pero I tried na tanggalin siya kanina kasi nga hindi ko bet masyado yung shimmery na pero that would be a really nice like eyeshadow tapos inner corner highlight, yung mga ganyang kulay. Pero yung mga brown na shades, bonggang-bongga. Anyway, walang nagbago, so I will get back to you guys later for my final update. Hello! It is now 8:50 ng gabi and the eyebrow product is still there. Still looks the same as kanina nung in-apply natin siya. Yung inner corner ng brows ko, as in nandun pa rin talaga yung product kahit na konti lang yung nilagay natin doon. I will go ahead and try and kinda run my fingers and see. Ito parang diniinan ko na siya ng konti. Yeah, medyo nawala siya. I'm not really sure if you can see that, pero medyo may bald spot na siya dyan. So yeah, kapag nirarun mo yung finger mo or accidentally na-touch nyo yung eyebrow nyo, mawawala yung eyebrow product. Yung ginagawa ko kasi kapag makati yung eyebrows ko, nasanay na talaga ako na iganon lang siya. Parang iganon lang ng koko. Parang one poke lang. Hindi ko siya nirarub talaga. You guys, I really like it. Yung shade niya, gustong-gusto ko kasi mabibuild up mo siya into darker shade. Yeah, and bongga din siya kasi again, you can use this as an eyeshadow. Yung dalawang brown shades na meron dito, as in usable talaga. Magagamit ko kahit na anong shade sa brows ko. I will continue using it. I'm enjoying it. And yeah, that's basically it for this review. Please do like if you liked it. Yeah, please do like if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget vegan. Bye, guys. My hair is everywhere. That one is really pigmented. Ito yung dalawang brown shades na meron. So yeah, look like a lot.